I want to show you how to clean beehive, because I want to clean the empty beehive, but we cannot clean the. So I want to clean this empty beehive because the reason why I clean because the spider built their webs. So and then when the bee try to come in, they will catch. For example, this is the spider web. So want to clean this, and then the bee will settle in, and then we have some sweet like honey. We want to put inside, or we can use wax to attract them, so to make feel that they are in. So we cannot clean this. We clean the empty beehive. So here is my stuff. We normally use this when harvesting, when we are cleaning honey, but I will use in this case to have to. There is the thing. This cotton wool pamba works very slow. So I will use this to smear. I will to smear the wax or honey. But for me, I will not use honey. I will use this. I don't know if you can read that. Love the bee. Hii kitu inatoka Australia. So if you want one of these, when I'm going to Australia, you can send me. I'll bring you back. So, but you will pay for me ticket. Ukitaka nikuletee unanilipia ticket. So kwenda Australia nikuletee hii kitu ni mzuri. So hiyo kitu tunapaka kwa hii cotton, alafu tunaspray hapo ndani. So I will show you how to clean it. Make sure you begin. So you follow me back at YouTube. I'm call myself Uncle PD and subscribe also. So our beef look like this. So our bee look like this, guys. So for my guess, I will clean it inside. As you can see, there's a lot of dust inside. I need to clean it. So you remove like this, slowly. Then, as you can see inside, it's a lot of dust. I want to clean it here. So I want to show you I want to show you what to do with this. As you can see now, grab this way. Make sure the corner you clean it very well. Not that. You can see. So I'll show you how to do this. Of this cotton wool, as you can see now. I don't know if it's clear there, so let me show you because the lights, you can see this will open like this. Then make this way, so you suck inside to suck. As you can see now, it's okay. Then we rub at this point now. You can see rub at this point. We rub at this point like this. So the smell itself will bring honey, so bring bee. So you can see. Then drop inside. Drop inside. And then I don't know what you can see this very well. Cleanness, so make sure that you clean it thoroughly, and make sure once per week. And remember, don't forget that we only clean the empty beehive. So because you cannot disturb the settled one, so you need to cleanse the empty. Make sure that the bee settle in. So and wait for result. If you make any, for me I use this. So sure the one you use, believe it. So we expect the result as per then. You can see the bee will start settle. Thank you very much.